Alright, what's up, guys? We are live, guys. We are live on stream. So, unfortunately, today I can't show my face, so you guys need to bear with me on the stream. And if you can hear me on stream, please make sure to drop a comment. Please drop a comment so that I will know that you're live on stream with me. I know that I'm not the only one here live. Alright, guys. So, if you can hear me, please drop a comment. Alright, guys, so we're live on stream. If you can hear me, drop a comment. If you can hear me, drop a comment. I'm looking at Euro USD for a setup. But I'm still waiting for that setup to play out. So I just want to be sure that there are people watching me on stream. One person is live on stream, but I need to be sure that you're watching me live because I'm gonna be calling out some trades very soon. So I want to be sure that you guys can hear me live. So please drop a comment. Sure you're watching me live because I'm gonna. Alright, guys, so please come up on stream. Let me. Alright, guys, I'm live on stream. Come on, guys, I'm live on stream. So I'm gonna wait a little bit until you guys come up on stream. So I'm seeing a setup on Euro USD. So I think in a few minutes from now, this setup will play out on Euro USD. Alright, guys, so I want to check out gold and see if I can see a setup on gold because yesterday I forgot to check out gold and price really moved. And when I checked gold, I realized that price has already left my area of interest, so there was no need me forcing the trade if there isn't any more opportunities to take a trade. So I think that's one of the benefits of being a professional trader, because you learn to let go. You learn to let trades go, because I've been tracking that particular setup for the past, I think, for the past 2 days, and I just had to let it go. But it is what it is, guys. So I called out a trade on the group. All right. Robert Blackmon is live. Thank you so much, Robert. Welcome to the stream. I can see you. Welcome, Robert. Welcome to the stream. So this stream, I don't think this stream is gonna last that long, because I just want to go over the trades I took on my Telegram group. You can see, guys, I called out a trade live on the Telegram VIP group. So I want to just show you guys the trade I took and give you guys a little bit of breakdown on the strategy. So you can see I called the trade out live. This is the entry. I sent the screenshot to you guys on the VIP group on Telegram. On the VIP group, I gave you guys the entry. And if you guys notice, I made a mistake here. I said buy, which is instead of sell, and thank God I sent the screenshot, the picture, so you guys saw that this is clearly a sell trade. So I'm so sorry for that mistake, guys. I'm so sorry. And looking at the entry and the stop loss, you can clearly tell that this was a sell trade. Like if you go to your trading view or you go to your MT5 to place this trade as a buy, it would reject your trade offer. So I'm sorry for that silly mistake. What am I looking at? Robert Blackmon said, what am I looking at? You mean on my chart? Like, is that what you mean? Robert, if you can hear me, my chart is showing gold. This is gold USD. So this is gold. If that's what you meant, what am I looking at? This is gold. And I think I'm also seeing a trade setup on. Guys, look at that trade I took on USD JPY, and I got a DM and some DMs on my Instagram account just now asking me for the strategy I used. So I just made a video. I was making a video now on the strategy I used to take this trade. So I'll be posting that video maybe tomorrow. So tomorrow that video should be going live. I already posted a video for today, so one video will be dropping live today. So there's no need me rushing and making a video going live today again. So I have one video already going live today. So I'll be posting this video on how I took this trade on the VIP group. You can see I called the trade out live on the, like I said, on the VIP group. I called this trade out live. So this is the trade. You can see the trade went in profit. I think this was a 2.6 or so to 1 on this trade I called out on the VIP group. And I'm happy that some of you guys took this trade. I think I had like 3 people take this trade, and this trade helped one of my female traders on a phase 2 FTMO challenge get around 2.5%. So she's just 2.5% away from passing our entire challenge and getting funded, which I'm really happy that this is happening, because honestly I wasn't even expecting so many people to take this trade seriously, because obviously this is a free signal. I gave some people free access for like 1 week, so I wasn't expecting people to take it very seriously. So I'm impressed. Honestly, I'm impressed. So if you guys are watching live and you can see me and you can see this video live, then please drop a comment, drop a like, and let's help the stream. All right. And can you guys hear me? Is my microphone working? Like, I just want to be sure that you guys can hear me. So if you can hear me, say yes, I can hear. Yeah, Robert Blackmon, thanks for the engagement. Yeah. I can see that money face. That's a money face down there. So yeah, thank you so much. Yes, Robert can hear me. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. So this stream is gonna be a very short stream. I just wanna talk about, and guys, if you guys can watch till I end the stream, then I could possibly call out a trade setup for you guys, because I'm looking at taking another trade on USD, but the trade isn't playing out. Like, it's still playing out, so I'm waiting for the setup to be complete. So I think in the next probably 10 minutes we could see a setup on USD on the next 5-6 minutes. So I'm looking to take a sell on EURUSD because I can see there's a sell side liquidity being taken out down here, and price made a run to the upside. So it's safe to say that there's gonna be a setup down here. So there should be a setup here. So if you guys can watch me live, get ready for this trade because I'm gonna be taking this trade live. So this is gonna be my stops. Let me just put it slightly above. Alright guys, get ready for this trade. I think I'm seeing a setup on EURUSD. So I'll be using 9.38 lot size on this trade. So alright guys, so you can take this trade with me if you watching live, because I'm taking this trade live. You can see I'm taking this trade live. So my stop loss, so if you guys are watching live, you can take this trade live with me. So it's a pending order, guys. This is not a live trade execution. I'm taking a sell on EURUSD. This is not a live execution. This is a pending order, guys. This is a pending order. I'm pointing this out so that you guys don't just jump in the trade with live execution. This is a pending order, so be careful, guys. Be very, very careful. I'm taking a pending order, a sell limit, guys, a sell limit. So I'm live on this trade, you can see. So I'll be waiting to see if this trade gets triggered in the next 10 minutes. If I don't get triggered in based on my strategy, I'll be taking out my limit order. So you guys should be very careful. So you guys should keep watching to see when I take out this trade. Alright, Robert Blackmon, I hope you took a pending order. I hope you took a pending order, not a live execution, because you're the only one I'm seeing live taking this trade. So I hope you're taking a pending order, not a live execution. So guys, I think this next candle should be able to trigger us in at least the next, 2 candlesticks. So guys, you guys should watch carefully. I'm trying to send it straight out to the VIP group. So you guys should give me a minute to the VIP group. Let me send it out to the VIP group. Let me send it real quick. So let me send it straight real quick to the VIP. Guys, like I said, it's incredibly difficult to live stream, trade, and send out signals at the same time. It's incredibly it's a nightmare, guys. It's a nightmare. So like yesterday, I said I missed calling out some trades on my VIP group, so that's why I didn't call out this trade I took on my VIP. I took one trade on the VIP group, which we ended up winning. So I just had to compensate for not calling out a trade yesterday for my VIP. So that's why I didn't stream earlier today. So, and I might not stream tomorrow because I just want to make sure that I call out enough signals on my VIP. So, oh my god, I made a mistake. This is insane. This is insane. So I made a mistake. Oh my god, I hope no one takes this trade like this. So quickly, stop loss. You guys can see me live, right? You guys can watch me do this live. I'm calling out this trade, and you can see how incredibly difficult it is. So that's why I'm trying to get an indicator or a robot that links my MT5 to my trading account. This is just crazy, man. This is crazy. I think using my mobile phone for this is a lot easier. Let me just delete this. Guys, you guys can watch me do this live, and this is me doing this thing live, and you can see how difficult it is sending out the signals and streaming. So usually I like to use my phone to send out the signals, but I'm using my phone to connect to the internet, which is insane. So guys, if you're taking this trade live, drop a comment so that I will be sure that you guys are taking this trade live. As you can see, we almost got triggered in. Oh my god, guys, oh my god, this is incredibly annoying. This is annoying. I just want to get triggered in. So if you're watching this trade live, drop a comment. Robert Blackman, thank you so much for that comment. Thank you so much. That's why you are the man. Yes, and Robert, you are the man too. You are the G. You're the real G. Thank you so much for that comment. Thank you so much. If you're watching this trade live and you've taken this pending order live, then drop a comment. I want to be sure that I'm not just calling this free trades all for nothing. I want to be sure that there are people watching and taking these trades. I know many people won't take this trade seriously because I'm calling it live for free. This is my VIP signal that I'm calling out for free on the stream. So I shouldn't be doing this actually because there are people paying for this stuff. So I shouldn't be calling out this kind of trades for free. So if you're taking it, if I'm taking the time to call out these trades for free for you guys, then please drop me a comment, engage with the stream, drop a comment, leave a like, share, and help me, and make this stream worth it. All right. So I know I'm ranting a lot, but stop loss at break even. Yeah, if you want to, you can do it, Robert. If you want to, but so you guys take notes, because the free 5 days 1 week trial for the VIP group is going to be ending on Friday. So if you want to, to join the main VIP group, then you should just DM me on Instagram, and I'll give you the link to join the main VIP group. And obviously it's not a free group, so if I'm taking my time to send out signals and pay for indicators that will help me trade and help make you a profitable trader, then obviously it's gonna come at a cost. Robert Blackman, I can see your comment. why the crying face, man? Mike, welcome to the stream. 100%. Welcome to the stream. I'll say there aren't that many people watching the stream today. That's quite unfortunate, because I wanted a lot of people to take this trade with me live, but too bad. There aren't that many people live on stream. So for those of you live on stream, you're gonna make it's beneficial to you guys. So alright guys, so in the next 3 minutes, if this trade doesn't get triggered in, which is what I usually tell my mentorship students, if this trade doesn't get triggered in the next 3 minutes, based on our trading plan, then we should close this trade. We should just close this trade and look for a new setup. Alright. Guys, keep watching the stream. And the next, look at this, look at my time countdown on this candlestick. It's 1 minute and 41 seconds. If we don't get triggered in the next 1 minute and 37 seconds as the time counts, we should close this trade. We should close the trade. I want to point this out so you guys don't make any mistake, because once it's this candlestick close, I'm closing this trade. Once this candlestick close, I'm closing this position size on this trade. So you guys should be very careful, because I wouldn't want anyone losing money on this trade, because I don't like my subscribers and my fans losing money when I'm trading. So it makes me a little bit uncomfortable. And Robert Blackmon is asking, don't end the VIP. Man, I just can't help it, honestly. I gave out 1 week access to the VIP just because I gave out 1 week VIP access just because I wanted people to just test out and try out the VIP group. So hello. Alright, the next one. Alright guys, so if you're watching the stream, just close out this trade, close it out. It's now an expired setup. Based on how I like to teach my students, this is no longer a valid setup for me to want to take a trade in. So if you're watching the stream, close the trade and let's move on. Alright guys, so like I said, this is not going to be a very long stream. It's going to be a short stream. So I'll be ending the stream very soon. I think in the next 30 minutes. This is going to be like a 1 hour stream or less than an hour stream, because honestly, oh man. Honestly, I think it's just a little bit strenuous to stream and trade at the same time. So I want to focus on looking for a setup to send out to the VIP group. I already sent out I think 3 signals. So we've won 3 trades this week on the VIP group, and we've lost we haven't taken any loss yet on the VIP group. We haven't taken any loss on the VIP group yet. So if you guys can hear me on stream, please let me know that you guys can hear me. If you're watching the stream live, drop a comment. I think the only one engaging on the stream today is just Robert Blackman, and I want to say big thank you to Robert Blackman for the engagement and the consistency itself is just insane. So keep it up, Robert Blackman, honestly. So this candlestick right here should have triggered us in. So honestly, for me, this is not a valid setup, and my VIP mentorship students should know why I said this is not a valid setup. But unfortunately, I don't see any of them on stream today. So well, they are learning how to trade by themselves. So I believe they can, take care of themselves. All right, Robert Blackmon, thank you so much for that thumbs up. Thank you so much for that thumbs up. Thank you so much. So we are 30 minutes into the stream, and I'm still looking for a setup. So if you guys can just keep watching, I might just find a new setup and share it with you guys. But at the moment, there's no setup. So there should have been an entry here, honestly, but this trade didn't get triggered in, which is very, very unfortunate. So well, USD JPY can still give us more trades, and you can see I said close this trade, and you can see price hit our take profit and reversed all the way up. So if you're still on this trade and you end up losing this trade, it's gonna make me really angry. Honestly, it's gonna make me really angry because I said close this trade out. I said it on the VIP group. You can see I said we're running 2.38 on this trade. Let's go. All right, team XO, you can close trade now or manage it to your best abilities. I said close this trade because I did close this trade on my own side. So you can see this trade hits stop loss. Guys, if you're still holding this trade, it hits stop loss. But if you close this trade when I said close it, at 2.5 or 2.3 to 1. You see that this was a beautiful win. It was a beautiful win. Making 2.3 on one trade is, you know, it's worth it. And price literally went 3R on this trade, but there's not it being greedy, because I didn't know that price would go 3R. What I was sure is price was going to get to this zone, which is this fair value gap zone at this point, which is 2.3 to 1, and I said close the trade. And I hope you guys close the trade, because honestly, if anyone loses on this kind of trades that I specifically said close, then it's gonna make me really angry, honestly. So I'll be waiting for USD JPY to break above these highs, you know. So once we see a breakout above that highs, then I would be looking for a buy trade. So there's gonna be a shift, a complete shift in momentum for me. I'll be looking for a buy trade at that point. So you guys should stay tuned for that setup. Honestly, trading itself is very easy if you are consistent with it, and if you can master your psychology and emotions in trading, then I believe trading is very, very easy. So and if you have a good mentor, I'm not saying you can mentor under me. There are a lot of traders on YouTube that are offering mentorship, and just look for someone who is actually trading, because a lot of people are just teaching strategies and all that, but they don't live trade themselves, which is which is not good, honestly, because anyone can just come and start teaching how to trade, but who is actually live trading? So that's one thing you should consider, looking out for, who is actually trading. And as you guys can see, I'm calling out trades live on the VIP group, and you can see we're hitting take profit every single time. For this week alone, we've taken 3 wins. I called the trade out live on I think on Monday. Yeah, I called it out on Monday, and you can see we ended up winning this trade, and price even went further down. So yeah, I don't like being greedy when I take trades. I just like to take I just like to take whatever profit I can take and move out of the market. So it is what it is, guys. So guys, if you're watching this stream live and you can hear me live and you took this trade live, drop a comment, said I took this trade live, and tell me how much you made on this trade. I want to know how much you guys made on this trade, as if you're watching live. So guys, I'm trying to see if I can see a setup on gold, because for this week, I think for last week and this week, for me, gold has been really unstable. So that's why I haven't been able to call out a single trade on gold for the past 1 week now. So price is just been a little bit unpredictable on gold, so I'm being very careful with the trades I call out on gold. So I think price is just consolidating and ranging, so we have to give price some space to do its thing. And let me look at US30 to see if I can see a trade. So I think I'm seeing this FVG zone, this one. So if I should go down to like the 15-minute time frame. Alright, so this is the 15 minutes. Let's check out the 5-minute time frame, the 3-minute time frame, the 1-minute time frame, and yeah, let me see if I can see a setup. So there should probably be a setup, on, but this is not like a high probability trading setup. There could be a buy here. I'm not calling this trade out, but I'm saying there could be a buy at this point. Stop loss, and let me say TP1 at 0.5. So this is not a trade I'm calling out. I'm not calling this trade out to the VIP group. This is not a trade I would normally call out, but this is just something, one of the strategies I like to use and trade when I'm looking for more trading setup. So this is not a very high probability trading setup that I call out to my VIP group. I'm calling this out so that you guys could be very careful and decide if you want to take this trade or not. Because I am personally not taking this trade. This is just because I wouldn't want to take so many setups on my own live accounts, because it's not healthy to take too many trades on your account, because it opens the door for multiple losses in a row. So let's just wait and see what's up. I'm still looking for a trade on UJ, honestly. So I'm waiting for the breakout of USD JPY. I hope you guys closed this trade out, because I said close the trade out. I called it. I said do not take this trade again. So holy shit, did I call this? Oh my god, what the so this is the reason why I said streaming and trading and calling out trades on the VIP is just it's a nightmare, guys. So I'll be streaming less. I'll be live streaming less, because honestly I don't even know if it's worth it, because there aren't that many people taking the trades live. I wish there are like a lot of people taking the trade live, then I would have. Oh my god. So 11 pips, Robert Blackmon. That is very good. Keep it up, Robert Blackmon. I love your consistency. And bro, and new B trader, bro, I managed to capture all the move from top to bottom from day before yesterday till yesterday market closing time. Look, SPX. All right, so I'll be checking out SPX, and yeah, let me see what's up on XPS. And Robert Blackmon, wow. Thank you so much, Robert. I'm wondering why you're saying wow. Like, what is making you say wow? Please drop a comment. Let me be sure of why you're saying wow. So for the newbie trader, you said you managed to capture all the move from top to bottom from day before yesterday. When you say you captured, are you referring to the trades I called out yesterday and I think the day before yesterday? So if you're watching, let me know what you meant by you managed to capture all the trades. So let me check out XPS 500. I hope you guys know that SPS 500 and US30 are similar in the way they move. So let's check out SPS 500. I don't usually trade SPS 500 because I think my first fund doesn't offer SPS 500. Oh, I haven't really checked. Maybe the spread is what attracted me to US30, and as we speak now, US30 spread is just crazy. So you can see that SPS 500 and US30 are like very similar in the way they move. Let me switch to US30, so you can see that you can't even see the difference in price movements on SPS 500 and US30, because I believe that US30 and SPS 500. Okay, wow to the last comment. Yeah, wow, big wow to the last comment. You managed to take all the trades. So I would love to see the trades you took. Newbie trader, you can DM me on Instagram and send me some screenshots. Let me see the trades you took. I'm calling the trades out live. I don't like taking too many trades. It's not healthy. Like I said, it's not healthy taking too many trades. So that's why I like to call out very high probability trading setups that has a very high win rate. Like my win rate is like at 80%, 90% win rate. When I say 90%, I mean plus break even. So my win rate is like 85% plus break even. So my actual winning trades are around 65%. Like my actual winning trades are around 65%. Then my break even trades around 25%, 20%, which makes it around 85% to a 90% win rate on my strategy. So all right, so I think I will be streaming for a little bit more till I see the setup on USD. So I hope you guys, closed out this trade and didn't take it like I said. I called the closing of this trade on the stream, but I forgot to call it on the VIP group. That is why I said that anytime I am calling out trades on stream, it's a little bit difficult to focus because I'm actually, using my brain power to analyze the market and try to look for a setup. I'm saying it live, I'm calling it out live, I'm calling it out on the VIP group. It's just so draining on my brain, and there's so many things your brain can do at once. So I'll just dedicate days to streaming, maybe twice a week, and anytime I'm streaming, I'll just know that okay, I'm not going to be calling out VIP trades, which is a disservice to my VIP members, honestly. So I'll be streaming less, probably once a week, and calling out more trades to my VIP members. I've really wronged them this week because I called out the first trade I called out this week. I didn't call it on the VIP group, which ended up being a win. So I should have been doing things like that, honestly. So let me look for a setup. Let me see if I can see another setup on gold. So price is still ranging in this pennant chart. So let me look at USD. Alright guys, so I'm sorry you guys couldn't hear. I wasn't saying anything because I was trying to focus on looking for a setup. So I was trying to analyze the market, and it's difficult to do that when I'm talking and saying stuff and analyzing the market is difficult. So I like to focus my energy on using my brain and my eyes to analyze the market. And honestly, the reason why I'm plotting out all these things on my chart is because I'm streaming and I want you guys to see what I'm doing. Like when I'm alone trading, I don't plot out all these lines and all this stuff on my chart. I just use my brain, I use my eyes, I use my pen and paper. I have my book, my trading journal, my book I use in trading. I just use that to look through the markets and look through my strategy, my trading plan, write up some things, and it is what it is, guys. So I don't know if I should call this trade triggered in like this. Is this, guys, did this trade get triggered in like this? But in case you got triggered in at this point, then move your stop loss to break even ASAP at this point. But if you didn't get triggered in at this point, then close the pending order now. Close your trade now. Do not get in on the trade again, because price already gave us this, should I call this a weak entry? So this is only for those who got triggered in at this point. Move your stop loss to break even now, like now. Move it to break even, and you could trail your stops, manage your trade like this. Probably close the trade now, close the trade now if you want to, because this is not that much of a valid setup I would like to call out every single day. Like I said, I didn't call this shit out on my VIP group. That's because it's not that high probability trading setup. There's a lot of setups every day I see. I could literally call out 10 trades in a row in a day, but I wouldn't want to take too many trades, because it's possible that we could end up losing all 10 trades, and if you're risking 1% of your accounts, that's 10% gone. So I'm not saying I could lose 10 trades in a row, because I have a very high win rate and I have a very good strategy, but I like to add in some more confluences that helps me, that reduce my trading frequency. All right, so there's a difference in trying to catch up every setup. Like newbie trader is saying, I caught all the move from top to bottom. I wouldn't recommend you do that, because it's gonna help. It's gonna make you, how will I put it now? It's gonna make you too rugged in trading. And honestly, if you can take 4 trades in a week, I think that's enough. So you shouldn't be catching all trades. At least have a specific setup you're looking at to take. Like I usually look out to take maximum 2 trades in a day, max 2 trades in a day. If I should lose 2 trades in a row in a day, I'm done for the day. If I should win 2 trades in a row in a day, I'm done. If I should take 1 win and 1 loss in a day, I'm done. Like I have my rules, guys, and this is something I teach my mentorship students, my VIP students, and I teach them to be a good trader. Like, look, there's a difference between being a good trader and a profitable trader. Some people are good traders but not profitable. So for you to be profitable, you need to have strict rules in trading. And I have strict rules, and I try to impose, I will not say impose, I try to let my students know that, look, this is what made me a profitable trader. So I would want you guys to learn exactly how I like to, take my trade, my rules, my strategy, my risk management. Even if I have a 90%, 85%, 80% win rate, I don't go around risking 10% of my account, 5% of my account. I risk 1%, 2%, maximum 3% of my account on a single trade. So guys, I'm dropping out value here, so if you guys are listening, take note of all these things I'm saying. Honestly, it's gonna help you. All right, it's gonna help you. Like I said, watching my free content alone is good. It's gonna help you become a good trader. But if you want to go a little bit deep into how I trade and all this good stuff, then I would suggest you sign up for a one-on-one session. So I think this show will be ending in the next 10 minutes, because I want to look for a setup for the VIP members. So alright, so just keep watching. I might just prolong this stream So if you guys would watch the stream, and let's just keep watching. Let's just keep watching the stream until I see another setup. So I'll call out some trade very soon. So guys, look at this. There's something I'm seeing here on US30 on the 5-minute time frame. So I want to say something real quick. Like I said, close this trade out. So if you were listening to me, you should have known that I said close that trade out. So if this bearish candlestick close as a strong candle, then I will be looking to take a buy on this trade. So I think I would need to call this trade out live. That's if this trade ends up going how I want it to go. So you can see it's closing strong. Like this is a strong candlestick. So I want to see this setup form correctly. So I think I'll be getting ready to call this trade out on the VIP group. So let me, set things up well. Let me use my phone to call this one out, because the last one I called just wasn't working out. So I have to use my phone to call this trade out on the VIP group. So guys, get ready for this trade. I'll be looking to take a buy on this trade, a buy setup. So if you're on the VIP group, then you can I'll be calling this trade out on the VIP group, so you can just stay tuned for that. So I'm getting ready to call this trade out on the VIP group in the next 1 minute and 23 seconds. If you guys are watching this trade live, if you're watching this stream live, so stay tuned. I'm calling this trade out live. So one person is watching, whoever that is, take this trade live. And please use proper risk management so you don't get destroyed. So in the next 28 seconds, I'll be looking to take this trade live to take a buy. Yes, Robert Blackmon, thank you so much. I know you are just there. I know you'll always be there. I know you. So make sure to take the trade live, Robert, and please use proper risk management, because there's no guarantee in trading. So I'll be taking a live trade here for a buy. And your stop loss, you can take a trade there for a buy. Too bad for my VIP students, I can't call this trade out for them, which is not good. So like I said, use proper risk management. There's no guarantee in the market. We could lose this trade, we could win this trade. So guys, be very careful with these trades. So I'm calling the trade out on the VIP group. I just sent it now to the VIP group. So entry, guys, look at this. This is going out live. You can say this trade was live. I call it trade out live, but please use proper risk management, guys. Use proper risk management. So let me quickly send the screenshot of this trade. So I used my phone to call this trade out on the VIP group, and I will be using my laptop to send it to the VIP group with the screenshot. So this is it. Yep, this is the trade, and send. So yeah, you can see. Holy shit. Oh god, guys, look at this. This is the reason why I said trading and calling this shit out on stream is just annoying. Like, it's just incredibly annoying. So guys, look at this. I called this trade out live. This is the 4th win in a row we're taking this week. So move your stop loss to break even ASAP. Move your stop loss to break even now. Move your stop loss to break even. I repeat, Robert Blackman, I know you're the one watching. I know you're one of the person watching. I know. Move your stop loss to break even at this point. Move it to the break even, guys. This is just proof. You know, I've been trying to show up proof that, look, I'm not just teaching you how to trade. I know how to trade. I trade myself. I trade live. But unfortunately, when I call out these trades on the stream, I can't take the trade up myself because I'm trying to call it out. So before I will call it out and go and place the trade on my MT5, it's already been a late entry. So move stop loss to break even now. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Price is just going strong. Look, price is going strong. And if you go down to like the 1 minute time frame to trail your stops, you can see price is still going. Guys, look at this. Price is just going crazy. Look, you can see this beautiful demand zone. This is one of the strategies I teach my students, and that is the reason why I called it out live, because any trade I call out live on the VIP group, it means I'm calling it out to my VIP mentorship students. Because if a student pays for the mentorship, I add them to the VIP group so they can learn and also earn at the same time. So if you took this trade live, drop a comment so that I can be sure you took this trade live. Yes, it's US30. It's US30. Yeah, it's US30. Robert Blackmon, it's US30. Guys, we're just winning trades left and right on the VIP group. Like, look at this. I'm just calling out trades and we're just hitting profits left and right. So it makes me happy, honestly. I thought I deleted this stuff. Oh god, this is gonna mislead some people. Oh god, guys, I think I have to take a break off streaming. And anytime I'm streaming, I wouldn't be calling out trades on the VIP group because it's messing up my VIP groups, my VIP trading signals. Yes, Robert Blackmon, move your stop loss to break even now. Move your stop loss to break even, or if possible, you can just close the entire trade. If you want to, you can close the entire trade at this point. You can look at this, guys. Price is still moving strong. It's still moving strong. So you can just close out maybe 80% of your size, and leave 20% to run. The price is still going in profit. Price is still going in profit. Guys, I called this trade out live. Like, I just don't know what to say to those people hating on the channel. I mean, like, oh god, man, these trades are called out live. Right? Look, price is still going. Price is still going. I wonder how you think I could fake something like this, something I called out live like this. It's just insane, honestly. So let me just send it to my students. So guys, I'm trying to send out proof of this trade to the free group, so that those people hating and saying this thing I'm doing is and real, so they can see that, yeah, this is real stuff going down here. Like, this is real stuff going down here. All right, so honestly, I would suggest you just close out the trade at 2 to 1 or 2.5. Well, as you can see, price already went 2.53 to 1. So this is a good point. This is a good spot now to close the entire trade. Like, close the entire trade. Or if you want to, you could just let your 20% exposed trade run. But when I mean exposed trade, your stop loss at that 20% should be moved to break even. All right, so it must be moved to break even. Yeah, thank you so much, Robert Blackmon, for taking the trade. And you said I did really good tonight. Yeah, thank you so much. Honestly, I'm really grateful that someone is taking this trade, because I'm taking out the time to call this trade out live. So I expect someone to take the trade. And Robert Blackmon, thank you so much for taking the trade. And yeah, thanks for your hard work. And you too, thanks for your hard work. Honestly, you're doing good. Thank you so much for your hard work too. So yeah, thank you so much, Robert Blackmon. I really appreciate your effort, honestly. So you can see price is still running in profits. So guys, this is not some fake trading. When I push out videos teaching you guys strategies, it's just me trying to show you guys different ways of trading. This is just, guys, look at this. Price is still going hard. Price is still going really hard. So anyone interested in taking my trades live, look at this. You should be up a humongous amount. Like right now, look at this. This is 3 points, almost a 4 to 1 on one trade, and price is still going. That's just crazy, honestly. Look, and price is still going. Look at this. So price already hit 4 to 1 on this trade, and guys, I called this thing out live. I just don't know how you expect me to fake something like this. So I believe it's because I'm new to YouTube, and I don't post in a Lamborghini and in a Bugatti, and which is very funny, seeing how this other traders posting in Lamborghinis and Bugattis, but they don't live trade. Like, they don't even shoot a live trades, which is funny how so many people just blindly follow those guys. Which I'm not saying is a bad thing. I could just go and rent a Lamborghini or a Mercedes Benz and start posting as if I own one. Well, it's easy to do this kind of stuff, so it is what it is. Alright guys, so I should, at least by now, you guys should have closed out on all these trades. So I think I've tried enough for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this stream. And guys, I'm not ending the stream now. If you're still watching, just keep watching. If you're watching the stream, just keep watching the stream, because I could call out another setup if I see one. And like I said, it's very difficult to call this setup and stream at the same time. So you guys should stay tuned. So If there's anyone else that took this trade apart from Robert Blackmon, please drop a comment. If you're watching this trade live, please drop a comment so I know that you guys are watching live. And it helps the stream. Honestly, it helps the stream, and it helps me know that I'm not just wasting my time calling out trades. At least I know that Robert Blackmon took the trade live, and it makes me happy. Honestly, I'm really happy he did. And yeah, so this is a 4-to-1 trade caught live, and I honestly wish there was a lot more people that took this trade. You know, there are 5 people watching currently, but I just don't know if they took the trade. I would be happy if they did, and at least, you know, it makes me happy that people are watching my free content and making, you know, good results. Not to talk of my paid student, at least that's gonna be a lot more results for them. So I'm still looking for a setup on let me say on gold. Let me check out gold real quick. Alright, so you can see there's a breakout of this structure on gold. So probably after the retest, maybe this FVG zone could hold. Probably. I'm not calling this straight out, but if you understand market structure and you know, price action and all this good stuff, you could tell that maybe price is gonna go up from here. But guys, there's no guarantee. I am not calling this trade out live. I'm not calling this trade, because any trade I send to my VIP is a trade I'm calling out live, and I have my money behind it. So this trade is just a trade I'm just, you know, speculating, you can call it. I'm not calling this trade out live. If you want to take the trade, then you're free, but use proper risk management so you don't get destroyed by the market. And always set your stop loss. Always set your stop loss when it comes to trading. Any setup, any trading strategy, you must set your stop loss. It's very important that you set your stop loss, because I've seen a lot of traders place trades without setting their stop loss, which I would say is honestly very, and I'm sorry to say this, is very dumb. It's very dumb. Taking a trade without setting your stop loss is risky, and you can imagine that it's a huge spike in the market. You're gonna get blown away from the market, which is not good. So guys, be very careful on how you take your trades, and please use proper risk management. Please guys, please use proper risk management, because it will be really painful that my students or anyone watching my live trade blow their account. It's understandable if you know, lose 1%, 0.5%, but it's gonna be really annoying if anyone loses their entire portfolio. Honestly, it's gonna be really annoying. So guys, please use proper risk management. So there's 7-8 people watching live, so I wish you guys took the trade, and I hope you guys took the trade. So the trade on, because this trade is a trade I wouldn't call live. I didn't call the trade live, because if I call the trade on the VIP group, like this one I called now, that we caught 4 hour, we caught 4-to-1 on just this trade. And guys, look at this. This trade was called out 9:47, I think. Yeah, okay, 9:46. Okay, 9:07. Did I? Okay, I think. Oh yeah, so this trade was called out 9:47, and you can see in less than 15 minutes we already hit a 4-to-1 on this trade. Not 15 minutes, in less than 10 minutes we already got a 4-to-1 on this trade. In less than 10 minutes. So if you at risk 1% on this trade, this is like 4%. Imagine you have an FTMO account of $100,000. You've just made yourself 4%, $4,000 on just this one trade, which is insane, honestly. So guys, I'm trying to look for a setup on let me see if I can see one on USD. Let me check out the 3-minute time frame. So even if you are taking this trade, you can see price triggered us in, went to our break-even point at 0.75. So this clearly was a break-even trade. So, and price just went crazy. So let's wait for a setup. Let's wait for a new setup. And like I said, I'm waiting for a setup on USD So I might just prolong the stream or end it and call this, and if I see a setup, I'll call it out to the VIP members. So if you guys are watching live, drop a comment saying I'm here. Drop a comment if you're watching live. Drop a comment saying I'm here, so I know that okay, there are people watching, and I might just call out a new setup for you guys. So if you want me to drop a new setup, drop a comment saying I'm here. Yes, Robert Blackman, I know you're here. Thank you so much for being here. And you've been here. Thank you so much, Robert Blackman, for being here. Drop it. Alright, I'll be dropping the signal very soon. That is, if the setup plays out, I'll be dropping it very soon. So just stay tuned. Honestly, just stay tuned. I'm looking at the setup on all my 4 pairs. So I just want to call out the best setup. Honestly, there's a lot of setup to be called out, but I want to call out the best setup, so you guys don't get random trades. I want you guys to get high probability trading setups. So guys, I'll be making a video, I think in the next 2 days, show you guys how I the strategies I use in trading these trades I called out live. So I'll show you guys, at least a good amount of information will be shared about this strategy I use. So you guys should just subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so you guys don't miss out on that strategy. I'll be calling out on that strategy. I'll be posting on my channel live, so you guys should stay tuned for that video. So subscribe, like, and share. So guys, sorry for the silence. I've been trying to go through the chart on my phone to look for a setup, but I think there's one setup playing out, but it's not yet fully done. So I'll be giving you guys an update when that setup is fully, fully set up. So let's just wait a little bit more for the setup to play out. And guys, there's no need to rush a trade. I want to call out the best setups. I literally call out trades I would call out on my VIP group, on the free group. So you guys should just bear with me a little bit more. Let's just wait for the best of the best setups. So guys, I hope you've closed out your trade on this setup. I hope you've closed out your trade. So I'm seeing the setup here. The price went up, manipulation down here, price went up again. And yeah, alright, so that's a good entry. So I just realized that's a very good entry. El Kai, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. When you say W, what does that W signifies? I would like to know. El Kai, welcome to the stream. Drop a comment what you meant by W. All right, El Kai, welcome to the stream. Okay, W means win. Yeah. Thank you so much for that comment. Win. And I hope you took the trade, because we won. Like, I think this is the second trade we won today. I think, yeah, this is the second trade I called out today, and we took a win on that trade. I called out 2 trades. I've called out 4 trades in total this week, and we've taken 4 wins in a row today. And this week, we haven't taken a single loss for the week. So Okay, welcome to the stream, and thank you so much for that comment. And I hope you took the trade. Please let me know if you took the trade, Okay. Please let me know if you took the trade. And welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for that comment, Okay. So I'm still looking for a setup. After I called out this trade on the VIP group, I was looking at gold for a setup, and I was also looking at USD JPY for a setup, but those setup didn't play out as I would want them to play out, so they became an invalid setup. So I had to just scrap that and move on with my life. And I'm trying to see if I can get a new setup. I'm trying to see if I can get a new setup on this pair. Okay, so like I said, it's just annoying because right when I called out this trade on the VIP group, just like when I called it out live, there was one trade I was looking at on USD JPY and gold, but unfortunately they didn't play out as I wanted them to play. So guys, look at this. We called this trade out live, and let me just do a little bit explanation on the VIP group here. You can see I saw a manipulation to the downside. I think I didn't take enough screenshot of it, or I didn't take enough screenshot. So all right, so I saw this manipulation. There was this lows down here, and price took it out and went up. So price came back down to retest that demand zone it formed down here, and I took the trade for a buy. Just as price was about to go up, I took a trade buy, and you can see price went 4-1. So this 4-1 trade was just a beautiful setup, and it makes me happy because we've taken 4 wins, like I said, this week in a row. We haven't taken a single loss yet, and yeah, that's so much fun. When I see my fans and everybody winning, it makes me so much happy. And this is not some trades I'm just calling out off the screen. I'm calling them live on stream. So it's difficult to do something like this. Honestly, it's very difficult. So if you're watching, drop a comment, let me know you're watching. Okay, LK said I hopped on late. Well, I hope even if you hopped on the trade late, I hope you made profit. Honestly, I hope you made some profit on that trade, and I hope you're not holding the bag. I hope you've closed the trade, because when I say close, I mean close, because I wouldn't want anybody losing on the trade. So that's why I like to call out when I want my my traders to close their trades. So the VIP group, I'm giving away 25% off. So if anyone is interested, DM me on Instagram. It's still a closed group for now. There's no way to, although I figured out a way to add in people with this VIP bot or something, but that's gonna be changed very soon. So if you're interested in joining the VIP group, then DM me on Instagram. If you don't know how to find the link, DM me on Instagram, then I will send you the link to join the VIP group. It's a paid group. I'm offering 25% off of the sign up fees. So if you're interested, just DM me on Instagram, and I will give you the link to join, and that's it. But you can join the free trial. I think it's 2 days left for the free trial to expire, so you can join the free trial and enjoy yourself. I will not be streaming this week again, probably. I'm not too sure. I might not be streaming, so enjoy the stream, guys. Enjoy the stream while it lasts. All right, so All right, Elkai, I would like to know how much you made on this trade that you hopped on live. So even if it was a late entry, I hope you made profit. Honestly, I do hope you make profit on that trade. Because what I like to do is, some people were asking me that, okay, they want to join the VIP group, but they don't have that much money. I'm like, fund an account and take one of these live trades I call out and make a little bit of profit, then come back and join the VIP group, because I'm not obviously going to be streaming every time. But one thing I make sure I do is I always call out trades to my VIP members. The only time, like, it's just only this week I know that I've been really off the grid calling out trades, because I've been trying to live stream and prove to so many of you guys that I'm not just teaching how to trade, I know how to trade as well. So that's for those of you who need proof. I could use these videos as proof to show that I know how to trade. For anyone doubting, I just say, okay, go watch this stream and you can see I caught out some trade live. So this is my proof that I know how to trade, and if anyone doesn't believe me, then I'm sorry, I can't help you anymore, because I don't have that much time trying to convince someone I know how to trade. I trade, like, even if I don't stream or get students to the mentorship or VIP group, I would still make money trading, because I'm a funded my Forex fund trader. I make money trading myself. So this is not just me trying to make a living off of YouTube. By the way, I'm not even monetized on YouTube, so there's no catch to me even doing YouTube. So I'm just trying to share out as much knowledge as I can. I've been posting out videos, I think sometimes 4 videos a week, sharing knowledge on strategies and all that. And I have some videos I already made that will be going live. Plus these signals I called out on the VIP group, I'm making a video also showing the strategy, which I shouldn't be doing, honestly. So anyone that is interested, take it very seriously. Watch my videos. If you want to take things a little bit, up, you want to take things a little bit advanced, then you can join the mentorship. And I would say, honestly, it's like the female traders are taking this thing very seriously, because the first 2 people who signed up for the mentorship, the mentorship is the first 2 people are females. And I was surprised, because this is a male industry, and I'm surprised that the first 2 people that signed up for the mentorship are females, because the mentorship has to do with 1 month subscription to the VIP group. So when you pay for the mentorship, you get 1 month access to the VIP group. So just put it simple that the first people on my VIP and mentorship are females, and I was just blown away by their commitment. And honestly, my mentorship isn't some sort of small fees. I'm charging $500 for my mentorship, because it comes with 1 year access to me. Because even after the mentorship, you can have access to me for a whole 1 year. You can ask me questions, we can hop on a Zoom call, I can give you some more information, tutorials and all that for 1 year straight. So that's why I'm charging that much money, because I wouldn't want to charge $10 and I'm straining myself that much. Because this 1 year, I'm gonna make sure that you become a profitable trader. Like, you must be a profitable trader, because you're with me for 1 whole freaking year. So, and honestly, I'm really surprised that the first 2 people were females, and it's impressive to see how serious these female traders are taking this thing seriously. So I'm really impressed with my female traders. And if there's any female watching the stream, drop a comment. I want to be sure that even if it's just 1 person watching the stream. And guys, if you're watching this stream, please drop a comment, drop a like. Please drop a like. It helps the stream. These streams are free. I'm calling out these signals for free, so you guys should just support the stream by dropping a like, honestly. So I think I'm still going to wait for a setup on. I would have taken this trade, but it's not that good of a setup. There's this setup here. I saw this trade, but I wasn't too sure of the trade, and yeah, it ended up going in profit. So ended up going in profit, but well, I didn't take the trade, I didn't call it out, I didn't even talk about it on the stream, but it ended up going in profit. So it is what it is. So there's no need to beat yourself Guys, there's too many trades I'm seeing here on. I'm seeing a lot of trades, but I didn't call many of them because I wouldn't want to call out random trades. I want to call out the best setups. Even if it's a free stream, I want to call out the best setups, because when I'm streaming, I'm calling out VIP trades on stream. So I don't call out random trades for my students on the stream, so I like to call out the best trades. Alright guys, so after the stream I would be ending and making a video on the strategies I used taking all the trades. So from now to the next 4 days the video should be out. So if you want to see the strategy I used and all this good stuff, then subscribe, like, share this video, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the notification when the video goes live, because it could get swallowed by a whole bunch of other videos. So turn on post notifications so YouTube sends you direct notifications once these videos go live. And I made a video showing one very interesting strategy, and that video should be going out live today, probably today or tomorrow. So you guys should stay tuned for that video. Even if 1 or 2 persons took this trade, I would be very happy. Honestly, I will be very happy. Alright, so someone just hopped on stream, just joining, missed all the actions. Oh my god, why? Godfrey Taki, I hope I mentioned that. I hope I pronounced that right. Why are you late on stream? You know, I stream London session. You know, this is your like 1 hour and 36 minutes late to the stream. That's too bad. I cut out 2 trades today, and all 2 trades end up hitting take profit, and not just minor take profit. They end up going like you can see this trade I cut out on this one went for a 4-to-1. I cut this out on the VIP group. It went 4-to-1, and I think I cut out another trade. Let me see. I cut out another trade. Yeah, I cut out another trade, which is this one. I cut this trade out today, and it also went for a 2.5-to-1. This trade went for a 2.5-to-1. Guys, I cut these 2 trades out today, and in total 2.5 plus 4 hours is like 6.5-to-1. I cut out on the VIP group in just 1 day. So if you have an FTMO challenge, you should have made like 6.5% on your FTMO challenge in just 1 day, taking the VIP signals. So we ain't that much people in the VIP signals. I think I think there's like maybe 6 paying members and like 12 free trial members, or I think around 8 paid members and around 9 free trial members. So free trial members will be kicked out of the group in the next 2 days. I'm sorry for that, but it is what it is. Oh, it is work. Oh, sorry for that. Sorry about that. It is work. I will be in touch. All right, Robert Blackmon, I will be expecting you. So thank you so much for all the engagement, Robert Blackmon. Thank you so much. I truly I really appreciate your efforts and your commitments to trading. And Godfrey Taki said you are doing well, keep it up. Thank you so much for that compliment. Thank you so much, Godfrey. I'm flattered, honestly. I'm flattered. So guys, please take the stream seriously, take the signals seriously, take the free signals I'm sending to the VIP group. For those of you who are signed up for the 5 days free trial, take it very seriously so that you guys can get the best results And the reason why I made that free trial is because I want you guys to, you know, take it, make some money, and then subscribe for the VIP group. You know, it's worth it. Honestly, it's worth it because I cut out signals every single day, and you can see we're already up 6.5% in just one day, which is insane. And this is not just some trades. This is live trades I cut out live, and you can see I called this one out live on the VIP group on the on the stream. So it is what it is. So I think in the next 30 minutes or in the next 20 minutes this stream will be ending. So you guys should stay tuned, keep watching, because I will be calling a trade very soon. That is if the trade plays out to the T how I wanted it to play out, then I'll be calling that trade out live. So I think let me add in an indicator that's going to help me call out that trade. So let me add in the 200 EMA. So I will changing the length from 9. I will change the length from 9 to 200. Let me change the color from blue to golden. I love golden colors. Alright, so I'm not calling the trade out to the VIP group, but you could take a trade here. There's a setup I'm seeing here, but this is not a high probability setup because, like I said, only trades I call out on a VIP group I consider high probability setup. But these ones are just, you know, me calling out trades for those of you who just want to take trades, who just want to take many trades. But please use proper risk management. If I don't call out a trade on a VIP group, then it's not a trade I am taking myself. I'm just calling it out. So please use proper risk management, and do not forget to set your stop loss and all this good stuff, because it helps protect you from unnecessary losses, like unnecessary big losses. Alright, so Godfrey Taki said waiting for trade, hopefully. Yeah, hopefully. But you know, like I said, my rules is I like to take just 2 trades and I walk out. So I don't think I'll be taking that many trades again. I just want to see if I can see any good setup. Like you can see, I called this trade out. So, and I said use proper risk management. And at this point, I would even recommend you move your stop loss to break even. You know, move your stop loss to break even at this point. So Godfrey, did you take this trade? So Godfrey, if you're listening to me, if you can hear me, I want to know if you took that trade I called out now. Like I said, I didn't call this trade out on the VIP group because it's not that highly probable setup. It's not a very high probability setup. So like I said, move your stop loss to break even. Please move your stop loss to break even at this point, so that in case price goes, you won't get stopped out. But if you want to, you could leave the trade to hit your stop loss or hit your take profit, and I recommend maybe a 2-to-1 on this trade, a 1-to-1.5 on this trade. So it's just up to you for you to do whatever you want to do at this point. So, and on the VIP group, if you guys notice, I wasn't setting the TP1, TP2, and TP3, and that's because I want us to manage the trade out manually by ourselves. So, but from next week on the VIP group, I will be sending TP1, TP2, and TP3 and everything on the VIP group. So please make sure your stop loss is moved to break even at this point. So Taki Godfrey, I want to know if you took this trade. If you're listening to me, I want to know. I did not, following your instructions. Okay, that's very good. That's very good. Yeah, that's very good. Do not take the like I said, it's not a highly probable setup, but it's okay. That's very good. On the free VIP group, following your instructions on the free VIP group. Well, that's good. But that was a trade I called out just for those people who want to take more trades. So the only trades I call out on the VIP group are trades that are very, very high probability setup. As you can see, the trade is going in profit, but you know, I didn't call it out because, like I said, my rules is I don't take more than 2 trades in a day. So I don't call out more than 2 trades in one day on the VIP group, because I send out signals every single day on the VIP group. I send out signals every single day, but I don't send out more than 2 setup because I do not want my traders to over trade. And even on the mentorship, I teach every student that do not take more than 2 trades in a day. It keeps you disciplined and it helps you minimize unnecessary losses. So that's why I didn't call this trade out on the VIP group, and that's why I said that you can take this trade if you want to, but I'm not calling it out on the VIP group because it's not that high probability setup, and I wouldn't also want my VIP members to be taking too many trades, all right, because it's not healthy, honestly. So I enjoy the fact that I'm calling all this trade out live. I enjoy the fact because this is I think the 4th trade I'm calling out today. 2 on the VIP and two on the stream, and 3 of them ended up being a win. And I think I took with one of the trade I called out on gold was a loss, and I'm not gonna hide that. As you can see, this is a loss, and I said that this is not a high probability setup, and you know, you won't win every single time. And if you are taking my instructions, my VIP students know that I always like to move my stop loss to break even at 0.5 to 1. So this could have been a break even trade at this point, but I didn't mention this, but my VIP members know that this would have been a break even trade at this point. So I would suggest you just close the entire trade. If there's anyone that took this trade, I would strongly suggest you take this trade you just close this trade now, like close the trade now, and that's enough. We've made enough. So guys, in just 1 hour and like 50 minutes, in less than 2 hours, I've caught out a lot of trades, and we were making serious cash. We've made serious cash today. Like for the VIP members, we've made serious money today. So I think that's very, 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 very good. So if you're live on if you're live on stream and you're watching me live, drop a comment and say I'm here. Drop a comment and say I'm here if you're watching me live. Thank you so much, Love Hackspot Bitcoin for that comment. Honestly, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're the goat too. Thank you so much. Honestly, I'm grateful. Honestly, thank you so much. So guys, as you can see, price still keeps falling. Price is still falling. So from next week, I'm not sure if I'll be streaming that much. I will be posting out some streams. Honestly, I will be streaming next week, but I have to compensate my VIB members and call out more trades. So I will be giving so much focus on them, plus the mentorship students and all that. So you guys should bear with me on the free side of YouTube and all this good stuff. All right, so sorry for the silence. I was trying to go through my charts on my phone to look for a setup, because honestly it's difficult to look at my screen with all this noise here. So I need to focus on the trades and see if I can see a beautiful setup that I could call out for you guys watching the stream. So I'm still looking at a setup on I think I'm seeing one on US on gold. Guys, look at that sharp drop to the downside. Let me show you guys that crazy ass drop. Guys, look, it's insane. Look at this. I think I'm looking at gold to take a setup on gold. So you guys should stay prepared, stay ready, because we might be able to see take an entry on gold. So I'm also looking at Euro USD and USD JPY. Man, but this setup isn't going as I wanted to, so I think I'll pass on that. Okay, so sorry for the silence. I've been trying to analyze the market and see if I can find a setup. So, yep, I just couldn't find one. Alright, so I was trying to get some things figured out with my other computer to look for a setup, but I just couldn't find one yet. I don't want to rush this trade and look for a setup and call it out to you guys, and you guys end up losing. It's honestly painful for me to see my fans and subscribers losing the trade. So I'm taking my time to find a good setup. So I think I was able to find one, but it's not that high probability setup, so I didn't want to call it out. Honestly, I just don't want to call it out. So oh guys, so you can see that's that trade I called on This trade I called on US30 on the 1 minute time frame. Still going in profit. So, oh, sorry. So I hope if there's anyone at all that took this trade, I got a DM from someone saying that she took this trade and she's already up she closed at 1.8% on the trade, which is good. So I'm happy that the only person that took this trade that I know of has closed this trade. So L Kai is saying, do you, bro? 100%. Okay, do you, bro? 100%. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, thanks you so much, L Kai, for that comment. 100%. I will do me, honestly. I appreciate the free education. Thank you so much for appreciating it, because a lot of people, have been, I would say, honestly annoying. It's people are just. I got a comment. I think the first day of someone saying, what I teach is BS. I'm like, well, just take the free knowledge I'm giving and walk away. If it's BS, then there's no need hating on me for posting some content. All right. But that's why most times I like to stream to prove to those naysayers that I know what I'm doing. I stream, I trade live. So this is not just me randomly teaching you strategies on YouTube and all this stuff. So I'm happy that the videos I'm posting is helping you guys. Honestly, I'm really happy. So I got a DM now on Instagram, someone asking me what is the price for the 1 month VIP group. So it's $100, but I'm giving it 25% Christmas bonus. So it's gonna be, I'm giving 25%, which is $75 for the month. So if you're interested, you can just DM me on Instagram for that. And even if you want to try out the VIP group, then you can just join the free 5 days trial, which is going to be ending in the next 2 days. If you're interested in the VIP group, so you can join that. I was initially intending to stream for like 30 minutes, but I saw some setups and I just decided to call it out on the free stream. As you can see, I'm up 2 hours on just the stream. So I think it's an overkill. So I might be ending the stream very soon, who knows. So just keep watching. I could just drop out a new signal, so stay tuned, keep watching. At least that's all I have to say. Just keep watching. Honestly, just keep watching. A signal could just drop in anytime, and only those who are watching can catch up such signals, because I could just drop a signal randomly just now and it is what it is. So guys, keep watching. So I would say if you want to take a trade here, at this point you could take a trade here, but please use proper risk management. Please, I'm saying please use proper risk management. So I want to call a trade out to the VIP group, but this streaming is sucking my RAM and it's making my computer really slow. So for all I care, we could lose this trade, guys. We could lose this trade. So please use proper risk management. Please use proper risk management. Please and please set your stop loss and don't go crazy with the risk. So once price gets to 0.5 to 1, I would love to move my stop loss to break even at this point. So you guys take notes. Once price gets to that zone for 0.5, then you can move your stop loss to break even, or you could just let the trade run to 1 to 1, 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2. It depends. So guys, be very careful with this trade. Like I said, use proper risk management on this trade. Like I said, we could lose this trade. There's no guarantee in trading. We could lose this trade. So let me go get something real quick and I'll be back. Let me get my power bank. I think my phone is about to die, so I need to. So if there's anyone live on this trade, if there's anyone that took this trade live, please drop a comment saying I am live on this trade. Please drop a comment if you're live on this trade, so I can be sure that there are people who took this trade live. So like I said, use proper risk management. Please guys, use proper risk management, because there's no guarantee to this trading stuff. This is just a game of probabilities. All right, there is no guarantee. So if you took this trade live, drop a comment saying I'm live. Alright guys, so this trade is just consolidating, so I would suggest you just close 50% of your risk if you want to, because this trade is not looking too good. So let me just tell my VIP members. So on the VIP group, I just dropped this update saying the trade is looking invalid due to a news movement I am looking at. So there's something I'm looking at on my phone now, which is indicating to me that this is not the right move to take. That's why I said close 50%. So in case you're risking like 1%, you could just close out 0.5% and let 0.5% run. So even if you lose this trade, you lost half the size of your trade. Or if you want to, you could just close the entire trade, which I wouldn't well, it's up to you, but just letting the trade run, hitting your stop loss is not that a bad thing. It happens. We take losses in trading too, so there's no guarantee every single time that we will take a win every single day. So worst case scenario, we lose half our size on this trade, or maybe 0.6% of our trade, instead of losing the full 1%, because already we were in a little bit of drawdown when I called that closure. So yeah, even if 0.4 goes in profit, and others, and sorry for that noise guys. So even if 0.4% goes in profits, this trade could actually end up going in profit, but due to some things I'm saying, I'm just gonna close out 50% of my position size. And like I said, I don't like calling more than 2 trades in a day, but I just broke my rules today just because of I'm streaming and I want to just catch more trades for you guys who are watching the stream late. So I shouldn't be doing this. I shouldn't have called out this trade on the VIP group, which is very, very bad and very bad of me to do. So you guys could go join the VIP group, the free trial. I think it has 2 days left, so you can just go join and and be a part of the family and get the next 2 days, get signals for the next 2 days. So even if I'm not streaming, I would definitely post out signals on the VIP group, definitely, guys. So if you're interested, come on, go and join the VIP group. Alright guys, so let's just leave this trade. Like, I hope you've closed 50% of your account of your exposed position on this trade. So let me just check out for a new setup and see what's up. So this trade is already still running hard in profit, still running deep in profit. So that's beautiful. That's honestly really beautiful. So let me check out the 3-minute time frame if I can see a setup. Check out the 5-minute time frame. Let me see gold on the 5 minutes. So there's no setup there. Let me see. Okay, there's no setup. Let me check out the 3-minute time frame. All right, there's no setup. So looking at UJ, there could be a setup here, but it's not yet played out well. So I'll leave that and let me check out US30. I think I was the manipulation up movement by conversion and price. So we caught a buy sell trade at the same time on US30. That's why I said that I made a video saying, okay, I've not posted that video, I'll be posting that video very soon, saying don't marry your trades. There could be a buy and sell setup at the same time on one pair, but I don't take buy and sell like at the same time. So even if I'm buying and selling on one pair, I will make sure that I've closed out my buy trade before I take a sell. And if I take a sell, I'll make sure I've closed out my sell trade before I take a buy. So it's just one thing I would like to mention, so that like you shouldn't just have one bias. Like, you should be able to be flexible when it comes to trading and be able to don't marry your trade, don't marry your setup. I could see a buy setup and I will just scrap that out and look for a sell setup because I'm seeing maybe sell side liquidity or sell side momentum that just came out recently. So I might be looking to take that trade. So guys, this trade ended up hitting stop loss, so it is what it is. So we didn't lose full size on this trade because, like I said on the VIP group, the trade is looking invalid due to a news movement I am looking at. So it is what it is. So we've taken 4 wins this week and half loss. Like, that loss is half. It's not a full loss because I called that trade when I told you guys to exit that trade when price hasn't even gone half of your stop loss. So since you closed out 50% of your stop loss, it means that this trade was 0.5% loss on that trade, which is half size loss or something. Let me just give it a like. I think someone gave it a like, so let me just let me contribute to that like. So if you guys want to reach me, so someone is asking me, is there any other means of getting to me? Then I would say that if there's any other means you want to get to me, it's gonna be on Telegram or on my email. There's an email on the about page on my YouTube channel. You can go there and you can reach me live. You can reach me on my email accounts, on my Instagram, and on Telegram. So these are the 3 ways I know you can reach out to me currently. So if there's any other way you want to reach me and I haven't mentioned that, then just let me know in the comments. So guys, we are up 6.5% today. Then if you minus that 0.5% loss, then we are up 6%, or should I call it 6R today, on just 3 trades. One trade ended up bringing 4R, and the other trade ended up bringing 2.5R, which is 6.5, and one other trade ended up bringing in, I think he ended up losing 0.5 on one trade. All right, so Love Hackspot Bitcoin is saying, I closed full size when you said close full or half. That's very good. That's very good. Thanks for taking the instruction. Thanks for keeping to the rules. And I said close full or half. Yeah, I said close full or half. Like I said, when I saw price, like I sent this to the VIP group, to the VIP Telegram group. I said the trade is looking close 50% of risk. I said close 50% or you close full, but I said I would recommend you close 50%. But Love Hackspot Bitcoin took the initiative to close full size, which is not bad, which is good. So he said I closed full, and yeah, like I said, the trade is looking invalid due to a news movement I'm looking at. So I was looking at this news movement on my phone. I got a notification on my phone, and I was trying to analyze that news, and I saw that, okay, this isn't looking too good for this pair. And considering the fact that that trade, let me go back to the fact that this trade was being taken on the 1 minute time frame. Look at this, on the 1 minute time frame. So that was gonna be a lot of momentum, if I'm not mistaken. That should have been really risky. So that's why I said close half the size, or you could just close full the size on that trade, which is beautiful. So that's a very good job, Love Hackspot Bitcoin. Keep it up. I love your attitude to trading. Thank you so much for the comments, and thank you so much for the engagement, and thank you so much for keeping to the rules, and you had the confidence to take the trade. Thank you so much for doing that. And since you closed full, that clearly means that you didn't lose a single dime on this trade, and that's good. That's really good. So Love Hackspot Bitcoin is saying I lost $3 in commission. So I'm thinking you use kind of like a standard lot, or almost a standard lot, because most brokers standard lot is around $2.5, $3, and $5. So I'm thinking you lost. Okay, you lost only your commission, which is, well, that's not bad. You know, I lost around $400 on this trade because I closed out 0.4. I have someone here who is helping me place the trade, so I lost $0.4 on that trade. I'm sorry, $400 on that trade. So I've already I made 6,000 today, and I've lost 400. So, which is a good, that's not bad. That means I'm up $5,600 on just in just one day of trading, which is we are just 2 hours and 20 minutes into trading. So, which is beautiful. So if you guys are watching this stream live, please drop a comment. So please drop a comment. Wow, guys, look at this. Love Export left a comment saying, but I made $537 following your trades this week on VIP. Jesus, this is insane. Like, holy sh I wasn't expecting this kind of comment. Oh my god, like someone was taking this much risk on the trades I was calling out. Man, this is crazy. Okay, on the VIP. Oh, okay, well, if it's the VIP group, what? Love Export Bitcoin. I've not seen this name on the VIP group yet, so DM me on Instagram. Let's talk. I want to know who this is. So DM me on Instagram, please. I want to know who this is. You made $537, which is a lot of money, man. It's a lot of cash for a VIP. So all right, so if you're watching the stream live, drop a comment, drop a like. All right, so I'm still looking for a setup. On let's wait for more setups. Alright, so that trade, you can see it's just going crazy. So we're just an obvious losing trade. So I'm not gonna hide this. I'm not going to hide this. This is a losing trade. So like I said, we only lost 0.5% because I called out that you guys should close out the trade on close out half the size on this trade. So yeah, it is what it is. So let me see if I can find another setup. Guys, I'm trying my best to call out as many setups as I possibly can, because on the stream I just want to be very active and help you guys call out some setups. But on the VIP I don't call out more than 2 setups. So price is going crazy, really crazy here. So alright, so this is the 3 minutes time frame. Let me check the 5 minutes. Okay, the 5 minutes is looking good too. The 5 minutes is not looking bad. I think there could have been a trade around here. Let me check the 3 minute time frame. So maybe we could have taken this trade for a buy, but I'm not too sure, so I didn't call it out. So that's not entirely bad. Okay, so I think that's gonna be all for this stream, and if you found value and you enjoyed the stream, then please drop a comment and